Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of Lenovo and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Lenovo, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In those two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in the pop-up, and then hit Got it in this one to continue. Now it's time to pick one of those connection ways. You can scan the QR code by clicking on the scanning icon above User Guide. Closing an ad, allowing camera access and pointing your Android's camera at the code. Or you can input this key into Input Key section and hit Receive button to connect. Then close any ads that will appear. And finally, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!